Yes, sir. Carter, what you got to say to him, man? That boy be looking at me crazy. I am your father. Father. No? All right.
Woke him up out his sleep, so he's mad.
Okay.
He's about to get a bath.
You is okay. Wake up. Wake up.
Put her back in the room. Well, dang. I got Carter's clothes on the bed. I got a phone.
Good morning.
Come on. All that noise you out here making. Rat. Zoe.
Like I know that voice a little bit.
Onyx, get down. No, you know not when Carter's up there. Go sit down.
Hey.
Bad little wings. And y'all don't even see him no more. That's all we get. That's all we get.
We got to get that right.
India.
It was nice being away for a whole week in Trinidad, but it really felt like I just put the fire.
What you doing?
Everybody stay here.
Why are you lotioning like that?
I had already put my shirt on.
Carter just had the biggest poop explosion. No, I'm about to show these people. Look, oh, it's all up his back. You are disgusting. I'm so glad you got relief. Oh boy, y'all. Oh my, yeah.
Who is getting a bath?
Damn. Dang. All right, man, let's give you a bath. Y'all, this could be TMI, but this is all of my baby's back. Oh my God. Oh, you are a stinky boy.
Boy.
He looks, oh my God, he stinks. Okay. We're finna clean him, y'all, and put him in the bath, and then.
Oh my God. Boy.
Yeah.
What you done did? What you did?
A little bit.
Huh?
He's mad, y'all, because I told him he don't talk enough and he don't give me enough material to put of him in the vlog. And now he's talking about all I do is complain about the way he vlogs. Now, give a Q-tip.
Nope.
Knowing kids until you ready for poop explosions all up their back.
Poop explosions. Stay out of alleys at dark night.
Okay.
Go on with it, nah, damn.
You got something to say?
Nope. Besides a stinky boy.
Yeah. That boy, oh my God, that was so bad. That was an all hands on deck emergency. Ain't that right, Pooh? Ain't that right, Zoe? They didn't know what to do.
Delete that.
Y'all, me in India are at a Mexican restaurant that's by my job. I work at a comedy zone part-time too. So it's over here by my job. And look at these margaritas. Mine is mango, hers is raspberry. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Let me taste it. Mine is mango. Let's see what hers is though. That is so good. Ooh, I can taste the alcohol. I think after this we're gonna go meet my old co-workers. Y'all, he has been waiting for Carter to get big enough to fit in these things now. That's all they gonna be doing. Still watching Wildin' Out. You like it?
Huh?
You like it?
It's straight. I don't know if he like it.
He does like it.
Juicy baby.
He's gonna end up falling asleep.
It's like a roller coaster for him.
That's because you way more active than me. I'd be chilling, strolling, rolling down the block. What is that?
I wish.
We gotta see you.
I wish.
Hey, nephew.
They said Q got a big family. You gotta get there before he is.
Hey, nephew.
Hey. How you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm sitting down here holding your son, nephew.
How he treating you?
He treating me
Ain't
good.
giving her too many problems, is
Say
he?
no. I take whatever problems he give me
Q,
right now.
He doing his job, boy. We'll have one on the way next week.
I keep man, look, no, it's not good.
Hey,
I'm trying to tell you.
Come on, take a picture of
Sleeping like a grown man.
Very powerful hurricane, a category 4 system here. High winds, 140 mile an hour winds, slow movement, lots of rainfall. We still have to be prepared. Even though this shifts back and forth a little bit, there's no change in the real impacts of this system. It's still some air. Look at the coast. So 2/3 of the time we can still get this.
Y'all, this is like the best feeling ever. I didn't pump that much this time. This is like, it should be like 5 ounces. It's like 2.5 in each. I can't turn around my hand at 2.5 each. But yeah, this is the best feeling ever. My man's got dinner, but I breastfeed too. But just knowing that I can pump and store is great. Just chilling, daddy. What's your onesie say? Let me see. Want to avocado? Of course we do.
Fat boy.
Do. Don't be crying. Put that lip in. Put that lip in. It's okay. All right. Y'all, I'm about to do a little shrimp boil for me and Q. We got our potatoes and eggs. Yes, I cooked them in the same bowl. In the same pot. I was not about to wait. It's even with the sauce I'm gonna make. It's a vlog.
Oh.
Dang.
I thought you had problems, girl.
Shut up. So yeah, that's what we're about to do.
Will to speak, I leap for thrills. I jump into the sky, fly whenever I rise, baby. They open their eyes wide, but not with a side eye, but more like surprise. I was hidden in sight, baby. I'm on this plane, but I'm showing you the game. I'm painting pictures. I'm painting pictures. I'm painting pictures. I'm painting pictures.
No, the sensation's back at Zaxby's. You heard right. The sensation Zaxby's is back. And introduce.
Okay, so I made my own sauce right here, y'all, and it's so good. And I already poured some in here with the potatoes and eggs. They were by themselves. And then I boiled everything else that I had in some crawfish boil, Old Bay, and then some bay leaves and some other stuff that I ain't gonna tell y'all just because that's my junk. So now all we just gotta do is mix it up, mix everything up. I'm gonna mix it and come back. Well, y'all, this is what it looks like when it came out of the oven. We are about to smash this food.
Last year when he first came in, he kind of stopped us when he just came in and changed the culture. Now I feel like we kind of know what to expect and we know what the culture is. The standards are already set. We just raising it now. He's a different type of coach.
What y'all doing?
Definitely different type of coach, but he shows something.
Joey, why do you always bring this ball? See it in the streets? It is really raining now. There's puddles out here. She said he gotta move his car and still come out under the tree because he don't want the tree to fall on it. I don't know where my car is. Over there. The truck.
Dorian.
Whoa.
Dorian 2019.
Woo.
That wind starting to come through.
That looked crazy now that I'm looking at it. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad. I just showed y'all what it was 5 minutes ago. Our whole balcony is getting wet.
Crazy.
Yeah, it is.
It's only the beginning.
I don't know what these people gonna do. They got stuff all on their balcony, like couches. Q just took all of our stuff off, just about.
Yeah, about to get real.
Yeah. How long your hair is. It's down your back. That's crazy. Well, I'm going inside because this is a lot.
What we doing? 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 Hot slide. Hot slide. Hot slide. Hot slide. Break it down, break it down, break it down now. Break it down, break it down, now, now. Break it down, break it down, break it down now. Break it down, break it down, break it down now. Hot slide. Yeah, hot slide.
Somebody trying to fight their nap time. Carter. Carter. Trying to fight your nap time. Crazy. He's so sleepy too. And baby hair is on fleek. You look over it though. Oh, I guess she's trying to go in the house. He took everything off the balcony, so now it looks so plain because we were supposed to take everything off to get ready for the hurricane. So everything is gone. That ain't even on the balcony, but yeah. So everything is gone. It's so pretty out here. What you doing, Munchkin? What you say? What you say? Say it again. Say it again. Come on, little blessing. Say it again, Cece. What was you saying? Hi, look at her eyes. That's crazy. What you was saying, man? Yeah. 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 Okay. What's your double chin? Y'all, please ignore my hair, my little messy bun. It's crazy. Shut up. It's orange out here. Look. It probably don't look that orange to y'all, but it is. It looked like the apocalypse or something. You see my man? Oh, he don't want to talk to y'all.
Papa. Look.
My bun looks crazy.
Yeah, look crazy.
Shut up.
Crazy. And then that lip. Look at that lip.
That's pretty straight though. People out here on their balconies, they out here getting lit. Q saw some folks out here with red cups.
Yes, sir.
Nobody had to go to work, but it wasn't no hurricane, so everybody was just using that as a day off.
It's a free day. Everybody really playing hooky.
Exactly what it is.
But yeah.
And I forgot to end the vlog. Please ignore my bun. I'm gonna end it now. So update on Hurricane Dorian. It really didn't do much. We got some rain, and like strong winds, but that's it.
Hold on. My hair look crazy. Look at the rat tail.
Hurricane Dorian didn't do too much. Oh my.
Yeah, man. It's
Whoa, I'm about to blow right now. All it gave was like.
just got the wind. And
Yeah, wind and rain.
And a little rain, but
Y'all hear that?
get too much.
But y'all see my butt.
Yeah, just want to let y'all know that we all good.
Very good.
We appreciate all the prayers and all the concerns and everything, but we're good, and everything goes back to the regular schedule tomorrow. So yeah, like below, hit subscribe,
Comment, share.
You already know. Carter, what you got to say? Tell them something.
The boy got nothing to say.
Your lip is crazy.
All right.